Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a neon text effect using Adobe Illustrator. This effect gives you a stunning neon look for your text. Before we begin, I have already added a dark background and have randomly selected this font for my text. Let's begin. Select the text and go to Appearance panel. First, add a new stroke, then add a new fill and again a new stroke. Now, select the first stroke and give it a value of 2 point and select the required color. This will act as a border stroke for our text. I have provided the color value in the description below in case if you want to use the same color. Next, select the fill color and give it a dark background. This will cover up the glow effect over the text which we are going to add in the next step. Finally, select the second stroke and give it a value of 8 point and select the required color. To finish it off, we are adding a new effect for this stroke. Select Add New Effect, go to Blur option and select Gaussian Blur. Play around with the radius value which you find perfect. I am providing the value of 25 pixels and click OK. That's it. Now repeat the same steps for another text too with a different color and here you go. Our stunning neon text effect is now ready. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below on how you created your neon text. Be sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. I will see you all next time.